Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common problem, a broken backup camera connector. This can happen from wear and tear, accidental damage, or just plain old corrosion. A broken connector means a blurry image, no image at all, or an intermittent signal. Don't worry, you don't necessarily need to replace the entire camera or wiring harness. Often, you can repair the connector itself. We will show you the process. First, let's identify the type of connector you're dealing with. Is it a standard RCA connector, a weatherproof barrel connector, or a proprietary connector specific to your vehicle? Knowing this will determine the parts and tools you'll need. Next, safety first. Disconnect the power. Disconnect the power to the backup camera system. This could involve disconnecting the car battery's negative terminal or finding the appropriate fuse for the camera system and removing it. This prevents any accidental shorts or electrical shocks during the repair process. Inspect the damage closely. Look for broken pins, corroded contacts, or cracked plastic housings. Sometimes the damage is obvious, other times it's more subtle. Use a magnifying glass if needed. If the connector is simply corroded, you might be able to clean it. Use electrical contact cleaner and a small brush. Spray the cleaner onto the contacts and gently scrub away any corrosion. Let it dry completely before reconnecting. If the connector is physically broken, you'll likely need to replace it. You have a couple of options here. You can replace the entire connector with a new one. Find a matching connector online or at an electronics store. Make sure it's compatible with your camera system's voltage and amperage requirements. Alternatively, you could splice in a generic connector. This involves cutting the wires and attaching a new connector using crimped connectors or soldering. If you're replacing the connector, cut the wires neatly a few inches back from the old connector. Strip the insulation from the wire ends. Use a wire stripper tool for the best results. Crimp or solder the new connector onto the wires. Make sure the wires are securely attached. Use heat shrink tubing to insulate the connections and protect them from moisture. If you're splicing in a generic connector, use butt connectors or solder the wires together. Match the wires correctly. Usually, they are color-coded. Black is ground, red is power, and yellow or white is the video signal. Double-check the wiring diagram for your specific camera system to be sure. Insulate all connections with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. This is crucial to prevent shorts and ensure a reliable connection. Reconnect the power to the backup camera system. Turn on the ignition and test the camera. Check the image on your display. If the image is clear and stable, you've successfully repaired the connector. If the image is still blurry or missing, double-check your connections and wiring. You may need to troubleshoot further. So, that's how you repair a broken backup camera connector. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more automotive repair tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other suggestions for future videos.